Hello everybody, today at JCR, just finishing up a trailer behind me. This thing was sandblasted and painted, and took the wooden deck off, pulled all the wiring, and then proceeded with those two tasks, and then reinstalled it all. So we'll take a little peep around here. Okay, at the front here, there's been an aluminum box that's been removed. The rims and tires weren't needed for the blast job, so they were not delivered. At the back here, you can see the ramps. We didn't reinstall new sheet metal or new steel plate, so they are a little bit bent from the wear and tear, but they have been sandblasted and painted. The decking, all the boards have been flipped upside down as the underside was better condition. One of them here was broken, so that got replaced. Fenders were taken off and sandblasted separately, painted separately as well. And yeah, the entire trailer inside and out has been sandblasted and painted, and this is how we're looking. Thanks again everybody for checking out this video. Perhaps give the YouTube channel a subscribe and a like, and see you in the next one.